Good morning. It is actually not that bad out. We're supposed to have like a winter storm coming in tonight, so yeah, it's gonna be a... Everything's still kind of like frozen. Still like kind of being careful, man, because it's icy. It's a bit icy out here. Oh, a boot print, shoe print, or footprint, whatever you want to call it. Hear the crunch of the snow. Whoa. Just gotta take my time, you know? Just gotta take my time. And there's all these leaves right here. Okay. May not look that much, but most of all this is ice. Except for the parts where you see all this. That's good to walk on. A little bit of dirt right here. Like nothing right there. Just where it's been plowed is where there's ice. That's it. Ooh. Whoa. Alright, almost there. Man, Lord, normally it takes me a minute to get down here. It's I'm slippery. Alright. So we got the scrap bucket. Nothing in it. So we'll be using that for the edge. There's a fill up their food bucket. There we go. I think there's enough food for them right in this bag. Oh yeah, there's plenty of food left in there. Alright, let's take out. Oh wait, I forgot to do this. There you go. I put the handful of seeds back. We'll just do 2 handfuls. I think 2 handfuls would be enough. There. Alright, our food's ready. We'll go feed up. Well, what? Go feed up? We'll go up there and water Grayson them. Oh. My palm got pinched in the tripod. Alright. Let's take this bucket over to the coop. Okay, so yesterday, all this was not slippery. So we're gonna test it again. Okay, right there, slippery. Okay. All with the snow on it. Oh, there's like a cat or something. Huh. Might have to follow, see where that goes. Like little cat paws, it looks like. Where'd it come from? Oh, it came from over that way. That way. Let's see where it went though. Huh. Don't know. Because it stops right here. I don't see any more prints. I don't know if you can see them or not. There's a print right here. There's a print right there. Huh. Oh. It walked out over there. I see where it went. I see a little footprint. Yeah. Alright. Well, at least it didn't go in the chicken coop. Or try to get into the chicken coop. Even though they probably can't get into the chicken coop. they can't get into the chicken coop because it's wooden floors. The whole bottom of the floor is covered. And there's like barely no way in to get in. So, woo! They're safe. Let's check the yard though. Check the run. See if it's been in here. See if anything's been in here. No. I don't see no footprints. Nothing at all. Cool. Alright. Just want to make sure. Of course, a cat can fit through the... Or maybe not. Maybe it can't fit through our fence. At least an adult cat. But it can climb the fence. If it wanted to. I thought that pole right here. You guys notice I'm not wearing gloves. Because it's not that cold out. I'm gonna put gloves on to carry a water jug though. If I just walk normally, I won't slip. Woo! I have to bring some salt down here. Or at least try to break that up. I'll bring that spade shovel down. Now I'm gonna walk up the hill over here. Let's see how slippery it is. I don't know if we have to feed them guys up there. But we definitely need another scooper or something. Although this spring or whatever, whenever we get down to it, we'll be moving Grace and them down there, so. Ooh. Almost fell. Didn't slip. I wasn't slipping. Well, kind of was, but. Alright. We got the water. Hopefully it doesn't take long. I think that's good enough. So I was going to throw on some gloves. Brought the gloves to carry the water jug. Well, it's actually not that cold out. It's only, like I said, like 30 degrees. It's cold. It's just not freezing. There we go. Alright, I know the front yard's pretty slippery. found a little spot of snow to walk on. All right. Let's get in through here. Oh, it's starting to rain. I don't feel it yet. It might not be starting to rain. Maybe just coming from the trees over there. But it sounds like it's raining. Oh, they definitely need some food. I'm not walking on the rubber mat. Woo! Almost slipped. Alright, yeah, they definitely need some food. Darn it. I was hoping they didn't, but they are pretty close to empty. So, let's go ahead and get them some food. Let's grab the bucket. This fell. I think I knocked it over yesterday and forgot to pick it up. Alright, let's set this right here. We'll have to that's not a good idea. Alright. I'll move this way. Open up this door. There's that. Jumbo trying to get up. Oh, wait there, old red. Come on, Jess. Look out. He's grown to be a pretty rooster, man. Uh-oh. Oh, I let this in. Alright, let's set you guys up back here for now. There we go. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put the stupor in here. I completely forgot about that. There you girls, ladies, come and go. Alright. Any aids in there? I don't see any. Water's frozen. It's not solid though. But it's frozen. The benefits of a rubber bowl, man. You ain't gotta worry about no water heaters. Just gotta worry about breaking the ice. Which doesn't even take that much effort. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Alright. I completely forgot. I put the scooper in here. I set those two things outside. There we go. Let's close this. There. See, it's not so hard to play with it for a minute. They're not getting along with Goldie. It's just been recently, though. Red doesn't bother her. But the other two do. Jimbo. Chasing her away. I think the gold one's too nice. Goldie's too nice. Yeah. I think Goldie's too nice to them. Alright. I can head down. Oh. We are here at the coop. Oh, what happened? Oh, the chunk of ice right there. Alright. Go ahead and head on inside. I set the water in front of the bucket so the chickens don't fly out. Even though they just step out. Alright. Unlock the door. I see a lot of eggs. Where y'all going? Oh. Alright. Turn it off. we got some aids. A little bit of everywhere. We got some in there. Got some down there. Got some up in there. Put on the glove. Let's grab up these aids. There's 2, 4, 5. Don't you even think about it. Little girl. Alright, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ten, 11, 12, 13. Will you drop the egg? 14. Now 14. We definitely do their pen tomorrow. Hi, girl. Alright. I believe that's it. Now we decided to do them some more. Oh! Well, chickens are outside. Love on. I have to move these water bowls to a different location. Alright. Yeah, we might be moving. Whoa! Water turtle. We might be moving a water bowl. Step in there, girl. So we'll be making some improvements on that coop here pretty soon. The nesting bots came in yesterday. I'll post a picture of them, like right here somewhere. They came in a box. Yeah, put them together. But yeah, we got them. They're all set. So tomorrow, in tomorrow's video, we'll be putting it together. Oh yeah. Whoa. I almost slipped. I almost slipped. Alright. It ain't really slippery out on the road part. Not anymore, it's not. Some spots may be a little slippery, but most of it's not. I think it's starting to rain, or it's falling off the trees. Yeah, it's falling off the trees. Alright. Not dump out the water good, but... We got 15 or 18 yesterday and 15 today. Not bad. At least it's a dozen. But it is pretty bad out. It's been pretty bad out the last few days, so. Alright. I should. 15 eggs. Like 15 or 16. One or two. One of those two. But yeah, we got the nesting box, which we'll be putting it together tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to record putting it together. I don't know yet. I might record it. But it'll be like a time-lapse thing. But anyways. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay warm. And have a good day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.